Have you ever wondered why Himalayan pink salt is used in so many wellness and skincare routines? From spa treatments to salt baths, this natural salt has become a popular choice for people looking for healthy, glowing skin, naturally. In this video, we'll explore how Himalayan pink salt supports skin health and why it's becoming a part of modern self-care lifestyles. Himalayan pink salt is a natural mineral salt mined from ancient salt deposits near the Himalayan mountains. Unlike heavily processed table salt, it is minimally refined and retains its natural mineral content. These minerals give the salt its soft pink color and make it a popular choice in wellness, beauty, and home environments. Our skin is exposed daily to pollution, dirt, and stress. Minerals play an important role in maintaining skin balance and supporting a fresh, healthy appearance. Natural mineral salts like Himalayan pink salt are often used in skincare routines because they help cleanse and refresh the skin gently. One of the biggest benefits of Himalayan pink salt is gentle exfoliation. When used in scrubs or baths, it helps remove dead skin cells, allowing your skin to look smoother and brighter. It also helps cleanse pores by drawing out impurities, leaving the skin feeling clean and refreshed. Many people use pink salt in baths to help support moisture balance, which can improve the overall appearance of the skin. Another important factor is relaxation. Stress often shows on our skin, and Himalayan pink salt is commonly used in calming wellness rituals that help the body and mind relax, which naturally supports a healthy glow. There are several simple ways people include Himalayan pink salt in their skincare routine. Salt baths are one of the most popular methods, offering a relaxing experience while supporting skin freshness. Pink salt is also used in body scrubs for exfoliation and in wellness spaces like salt rooms and spa environments. At Pink Salt Wall, Himalayan salt is also used in salt walls and wellness designs that create calm, relaxing spaces, an important part of overall self-care. Healthy skin is not just about products, it's about lifestyle. A calm environment, reduced stress, and natural wellness elements all contribute to how your skin looks and feels. That's why Himalayan pink salt is often associated with both beauty and peaceful living spaces. If you're exploring natural ways to support glowing skin and a balanced lifestyle, Himalayan pink salt is a great place to start. To discover authentic Himalayan salt products and wellness solutions, visit Pink Salt Wall.